Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi there, my name is Fitria Indriani, and today I'm going to do a lesson. It's a very basic, very simple, and very easy lessons for everyone to enjoy. This is by request, by the way, so thank you. And today we're going to learn the verb have, has, and had. Itu merupakan kata kerja bantu atau yang biasa dikenal dengan istilah primary auxiliary verb. Meskipun demikian, mereka merupakan bagian yang sangat penting dalam sebuah kalimat karena ikut dalam pembentukan aturan tata bahasa. Sekarang, saya akan menjelaskan mulai dari subjek. Subjeknya ada I, you, he, she, it, and they, and we. Yang pertama, I have, you have, and they have, we have. Untuk subjek I, they, we, and you menggunakan have. And now the difficult things when we use the subject he, she, and it, itu menggunakan has. The next things is the negative form of this verb. In the negative things, we have to use the word in English don't and doesn't. So we're going to say I don't have a boyfriend, for example. And for you, you don't have a butterfly. We menggunakan don't juga. Dan khusus subjek he, she, and it menggunakan doesn't. He doesn't have a book, for example. She doesn't have a boyfriend, and it doesn't have blah blah blah. Dan di sini ada yang paling penting, yaitu untuk have itu semuanya menggunakan have. Dan yang selanjutnya yaitu bentuk past. Does everyone know the past of have? Yes, it's had. This is very easy and you're lucky for this one. When we use had, we don't have to change with different pronouns, but this is very unnatural for people like from Canada and America and modern than English. They just don't use it like I had not, like for example, I had not eat, which is kind of weird. So when we use had, we have to look at this verb again. Jadi, had itu bisa digunakan untuk semua subjek. Jadi tidak perlu risau. Dan yang selanjutnya yaitu bentuk past dari doesn't, yaitu didn't. Dan ini lebih simple, kita tidak perlu mengubah dari setiap pronounnya. Seperti I didn't have, semuanya memakai have, you didn't have, she didn't have, dan seterusnya. Kesimpulannya yaitu tidak semua subjek dapat menggunakan have, begitu juga tidak semua subjek juga dapat menggunakan has. Kecuali untuk kata had, semua subjek dapat menggunakan had. Okay, the more you're studying English, the more you are going to learn there are things that are very difficult and hard to remember, but there is always be a trick to help you remember those. I hope that helped you and everyone else. I'll see you again soon. Bye. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.